sorry guys for that. We can just pick up from what we've been talking about. So yeah, I hope the concept of the horizontal scroll views and the normal scroll views, that concept is at home. So another thing is, whenever you are a developer, you will always really like to have your application have your own icon, So for you to work with icons, so in this case, probably you need to figure out a nice icon of yourself or of your own, so that is exactly what you're going to be working with on your application. So in this class, I will show you a website where you can be getting your own icons, and most of them are actually for free. Yeah, so right away we can just go to that website. I can show you. Let me launch my browser. Yeah, so once you have your icon right there, you can simply go and Google icon finder. You can actually, or you can directly just type their iconfinder.com. Yeah, iconfinder.com. Yeah, iconfinder.com. Then we can actually try to find our own icon. So maybe let's look for an icon for a house, maybe something like that. Yeah, so as you can see, these are really pretty icons. Then always just look for, let me say, which icon can we use here? Okay, let me just click on this first one, whichever icon that we are going to use. So once I click on this icon, are they trying to sell these? Let me just figure out a free one. Yeah, so just activate this button or this switch to only filter the free icons only. So right away, then let me look for a house icon that is free of charge, like this one. Then yeah, as you can see, I can download whichever size. So let me go for a little bit smaller size, 128 pixels. So let me just hit on download a PNG version. Yeah, save. Just save these. Then I'm very sure it's going to take you to some download folder. So what I would like you guys to do is, I would like you to follow through where that icon is, then at least just rename it as your own. Just rename it to maybe house underscore icon. As you can see, I'm not using spaces, I'm not using numbers, I'm not using capital letters right there. So yeah, house underscore icon, something like that, just to edit it to have your own unique name. Yeah, so that right away now I can actually even close this website. I don't really need it anymore. Yeah, so for us now to use that icon, we are going to generate something called to generate a resource in our mipmap folder. So here is our mipmap folder. Yeah, so this is our mipmap folder. Just right, you see the mipmap folder also plays a role almost like the drawables folder, but you see a drawable folder, when we paste an image inside a drawable folder, it will not try to resize it to a better size that will make your that will optimize your application even speed. Yeah, so but in the mipmap, the image will try to scale down somehow, will be broken down into different sizes to suit different applications, or to suit different font sizes and something like that. So right away, let me just right click on let me right click on the mipmap for mipmap directory here. Then I'll say new image asset. Yeah, I'm actually going to generate an image asset. I'm going to generate an image asset. Yeah, going to generate an image asset. Then I'm actually going to create an an icon, so I can actually even give it a name as my, sorry for these guys. I can say this my underscore icon, yeah, something like that, yeah. Yeah, my icon is the name. Then to change this part here, so as you can see, we have our path right here. So I'm simply going to click on this sort of a folder icon. Then right away, I can simply navigate to my downloads folder. Where is my downloads folder? Here is my downloads folder. Then inside my downloads folder, I have house icon right here. Then just say, okay. Yeah, there is my icon. Then I can simply hit on a next. Nothing else here, just finish. Yeah, next and finish. Yeah, that's quite okay. So that I'm very sure right now, if I go inside my map folder, I will see my icon created there. This is my icon actually. Then also there is something called my icon round created. So this is also something that we are going to use because there are some fonts. There are some fonts that have been predefined to only use rounded icons, and there are mobile fonts that have only been designed to use icon, just an icon without rounded corners or something like that. So for us to change an icon, or for us to change an icon of our application, we are going to do that from this folder called the manifest folder. So you see, a manifest folder is a folder that contains the code that is responsible for launching the application. Yeah. So to manifest, as from the word manifesting, is like to launch or to uh, uh, yeah, to launch something, to manifest. If we say the demons manifested in him, is like we are saying the demons sort of showed up in him or something like that. So the manifest folder is like an engine folder per se of our application, so that right away we need now to open the manifest folder, and we have our Android manifest file right here. So inside our manifest file, we have somewhere where we need to declare our icon. As you can see here, they are saying right now this application is using an icon from the MIPMAP folder, then it is called IC Launcher. But instead, we actually want to use our own called, my icon. My icon, here it is. Yeah, my icon. Then so those people who have mobile phones that are so fancy maybe, and they require an application that runs with a rounded icon, then we are going to also change the rounded icon from here. So it is also inside the MIP map. Then we are going to go for the my icon round. Yeah, my icon round right there. Yeah, my icon round. So that's all. That's all that we need to do right there, guys. For as long as you've created your icon in the MIPMAP folder, yeah, for as long as you've created your icon round, ignore this part of what makes the icon appear nicely. But meanwhile, for as long as you've created that and you've changed this in the manifest file like that is quite okay. So don't change anything else on this file, guys. In fact, for your file to be safe, just close it, please, because you will type there things you don't even understand and your application will not run. So let me just close it like that. Then right away, we can try to run our application. Yeah, we can try to run our application and see how the icon appears. So I'm sorry, I can't run it right now. I haven't connected my phone right now, but I can't even connect. I actually can't connect right now. Sorry, can't run it right now. But if you run it on your phone, you will see the icon of your application. Icon of your application. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you can be able to now install this application, yeah, that's all that we wanted to do today. And unless we have you guys with questions, that's it for today's class, and see you in our next lecture.